Very good morning, wow kids! Oh, it's our washy time!
It's fun to wash your hands, and I know you understand. So we washy, clean, scrub. We start with washing palm to palm. Between each finger, let us rub. Now the back of the hands, it's such a simple plan. We washy, clean, scrub. Clean the base of the thumbs one by one. Then the back of the fingers, this is fun. Don't forget your fingernails, it's about detail. We washy, clean, scrub. Now move on to the wrist, let us rub. I think we're nearly done, so now what? Just scrape the soap away, dry your hands and we're okay. We washy, clean, scrub. So we washy, clean, scrub. We washy, clean, scrub. It's fun to wash your hands, and I know you'll understand. We washy, clean, scrub.
Now it's our rhyme time! What is our first rhyme? Hickory-dickory dock. Hickory-dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory dock. Hickory-dickory dock. Hickory-dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory dock. Hickory-dickory dock. Our second rhyme, it's about Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pile of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pile of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Third rhyme. Mickey on a railway picking up stones. Down came an engine and broke Mickey's bone. Ah, says the Mickey, that's not fair. Oh, said the engine driver, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. The last rhyme, it's about a teapot. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and here is my spout. When the water is boiling, hear me shout. Just lift me up and pour me out.
Hello our kids. So auntie is gonna teach you today before and after numbers. Okay. So what is before and after? You know? Okay. So before means it's like this. Pinnadi irukradhu we call it as before. Munadi irukradhu we call it as after. So before, after. Before, after. So it's like this. Okay, later auntie will show you. So this is, I'm keeping back side note. So this is before and this is after. Before, after. What comes first is after. What comes back is before. Okay. So now we are going to see the same thing in the numbers. We're going to say same thing in the numbers. Shall we see? Children, again we are going to see before and after. So we'll write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now auntie is going to teach you the before and after concept. Okay, so what is this number 1? What comes after 1? 2. So what comes after 1? It's 2. This is after. Okay. What comes after 2? What comes after 2? It's 3. Very good. What comes after 3? That is, we have to see the numbers which comes down. Okay, that is which comes down. That is the after number. Okay, which comes up, that is back. Which comes back, it's a before number. So now we are seeing is after number. Okay, what comes after 3? It's 4. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? 7. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 8? 9. What comes after 9? It's 10. Now, what comes after 10? What comes after 10? It's 11. What comes after 11? 12. What comes after 12? 13. After 13, it's 14. After 14, 15. What comes after 15? 16. What comes after 16? 17. What comes after 17? 18. What comes after 18? 19. What comes after 19? 20. So you know 1 to 20, right? So now you know what comes after each number. So we have to see now what comes before. Okay, before. Okay, what comes before 2? What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 6? It's 5. So children, you understand? The number which comes before is what comes up. The number which already we have seen. So before is something, it's on the top, and after is something on the down. So the number which you say 1, 2, 3, 4, no. We have to see what is the number that comes before each number. So if you see before 7, what comes before 7? It's 6. What comes before 8? It's 7. What comes before 9? It's 8. What comes before 10? It's 9. Okay. What comes before 11? It's 10. What comes before 11? It's 10. What comes before 12? 11. What comes before 13? 12. What comes before 14? 13. What comes before 15? 14. What comes before 16? 15. What comes before 17? 16. What comes before 18? 17. What comes before 19? 18. What comes before 20? It's 19. So remember, this is what the concept of before and after. Now we will do a small activity, okay? So now we're gonna see the before and after. So what comes before and what comes after. So number. So this is before, okay? You have to write before. So something comes back. Something comes back of a number is called before. Something comes front of the number is called after. Okay, the number which comes in front is called after. Number which comes in the back is called before. So now, what is before 13? What is before 13? Shall we see what is before 13? 11, 12, 13. What comes then before 13? It's 12. Okay. What comes before 7? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes before 7? 6. Very good. What comes before 19? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So what comes before 19? It's 18. So what comes before 10? What comes before 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what comes before 10? 9. What comes before 4? What comes before 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes before 4? 3. Very good. Now children, we are going to see the after number. We saw the before number. Now we are going to see the after number. Okay. So what comes after 12? Shall we count? 11, 12, 13. What comes after 12? 13. What comes after 15? Count. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16. Very good. 16. So what comes after 3? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What comes after 8? What comes after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 8? 9. What comes after 17? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What comes after 17? It's 18. So children, it's very easy. This is what the concept of before and after. The before is something that comes back. Okay, the number that comes back. This after is the number that comes in front. That is after. So the number which comes in the back, it's before. The number which comes in the front is after. So children, do this activity. Okay? See you.
Hi cuties, now I am going to teaching about number names 61 to 70. Let's start cuties. X-I-X-T-Y 60, O-N-E-1 61, 61 61. S-I-X-T-Y 60, T-W-O 2 62, 62 62. S-I-X-T-Y 60, T-H-R-E-E 3 63, 63 63. 64. S-I-X-T-Y 60, F-O-U-R 4 64, 64 64. 65. S-I-X-T-Y 60, F-I-V-E 5 65, 65 65. S-I-X-T-Y 60, S-I-X 6 66, 66 66.
SIXTY 60, SEVEN 7 67, 7 67, 68, SIXTY 60, EIGHT 8 68, 68 68. SIXTY 60, NINE 9 69, 69 69, 70, SEVENTY 70, 70 70.
Shall we read Vyanjan now, children? Read it after me. Vyanjan. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Say it again. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. We have learned how to write the first three Vyanjan. Ka, kha, and ga. Now we are going to learn the next one. Gha. What is it? Gha. Let us learn to write gha. You have to draw a curve like this, and then another curve, and then a standing line. At the top, a small sleeping line. This gives us gha. See here, a curve and then another curve which goes all the way to the top and comes back down. And then a sleeping line at the top. This is gha. Shall we write it again? A curve, another curve like this, then a standing line, and then a small sleeping line. This is gha. Let's learn some words with gha now. Gha se ghadi. Gha se ghadi. Ghadi means a clock. Gha se ghar. Gha se ghar. Ghar means a house. Gha se ghoda. Gha se ghoda. Ghoda means a horse. Gha se ghonsla. Gha se ghonsla. Ghonsla means a nest.
With this, we are ending our today's session. Meet you all tomorrow with another set of activities and learning. Until then, correct. Eat well, sleep well, help your mama, help your papa, and stay safe.